Gravedigger. Gravedigger. Wake up. It's your birthday today.
It is?
It is. Are you so excited?
I am.
Guess what, Gravedigger?
What?
All of your friends are here to see you for your birthday.
They're home?
They are. Do you want to go downstairs and see them? Okay, let's go.
Oh, hey guys, come on in. Gravedigger just woke up. He's excited to have you guys over for his party.
Boy, we're excited to be here.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah.
Come on in, guys.
All right, let's go on in.
Hey, Gravedigger.
Thanks for coming to my party.
Oh, we're super excited.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to go see my cake?
Oh, I'd love to go see your cake. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, Gravedigger, that cake smells delicious. Can we have some now?
Well, no, we'll daddy eat it later.
Oh, okay.
Are we going to play some fun games first for your birthday?
Yes.
Oh, that sounds fun, guys. What are we gonna play?
Let's play Operation Day.
Operation? Okay, let's go.
That would be fun.
Huh. This cake smells so good, though. Uh-oh. I think I ate all the cake.
Hey, Monster Mutt, did you eat all my cake?
I did. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, man, I can't believe I did that.
Gosh, what's wrong, Monster Mutt?
I made a mistake. I ate all of Gravedigger's birthday cake.
Oh, no. That doesn't sound good.
No, I'm pretty upset.
Is there anything you can do to make it right?
Well, I guess I could make him a cake again.
That's a really good idea, Monster Mutt.
Yeah,
All right, why don't you go do that?
I will. Let me go do that.
All right, bye, Monster Mutt.
See ya. Whoa, this is awesome! Woohoo! Whoa! Oh, hey Gravedigger, what's wrong?
I'm sad that I don't have a birthday cake.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry that Monster Mutt ate your cake. I don't know, maybe he'll make up for it. You know? He's a pretty good friend. I bet he's doing something nice. Yeah. Alright, you want to play with us now?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, do some jumps. Yeah, we're so fun. Hey guys,
What's going on?
I'm really sorry I ate your cake.
Oh, that's okay.
Well, guess what, Gravedigger?
What?
Come here. I want to show you something. Look,
Whoa, that's even better than the other cake.
it is. You like it?
Yeah.
I made it just for you.
Oh, did you, Monster Mutt?
Hey, Gravedigger, come here. I want to show you what I did. Look, I put green sprinkles on it because you're green.
Oh, thanks, you.
Can
That's so nice.
Oh, can I have a high five?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're friends, aren't we?
Yeah.
All right. You want to have some birthday cake now?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Gravedigger, what do you think of the cake I made you?
It's so good.
Yeah. Hey, happy birthday, bud.
Oh, thank you, Monster Mutt.
You know, you're one of my best friends.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I wanted to make you this cake. All right, I'm going to go back to eating my cake, though. It's so good, isn't it? All right, high five.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to know the scented seasons now?
Yeah! Oh, let's go!
Oh, so fun!
Woo! If you love monster trucks and Gravedigger, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome races, tournaments, and the awesome Marvel Avengers Monster Truck series.
Click on my videos to watch more Drips to Watch.